Are you guys all waiting for the cocktail? All right, so let's do that. We do have some locally made rum, courtesy of Spirits of Old Bennington. So this is their Panella rum, which is actually sweetened with a sugar from Colombia, which also gives it the color. So this isn't a spice rum like Captain Morgan, it's a sweetened rum, so it doesn't have the spices. It's got great flavor. I recommend you guys trying it. Again, I have a mason jar just so I don't make too much of a mess. I have ginger ale and ginger beer. The ginger ale is a little sweeter. This is a sweet cocktail, so we're gonna go with that. Into the jar, 2 ounces of rum. Maple syrup, of course. We're gonna mix these first because when we add the ginger ale, we don't want to mix that too heavily and then destroy the carbonation. We want to leave a little carbonation left. So I'm just going to give this a swirl to make sure it's nice and blended. You could shake it as well. So this is the rum, the maple syrup. I would normally put some ice in here. Plain and simple, we are going to finish it with some ginger ale. And just by pouring, it's combining nicely. You can give it a swirl or a stir if you want to make sure it's combined. But plain and simple, there's your cocktail. It's the Ginger Storm. And again, it's made with the Spirits of Old Bennington rum. So there we have it.
Food porn.